In this video, I'll show you how to add product categories in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you should be able to head over in here to your products page on your Shopify dashboard. Now in here, you can see all of the products that you have. So in here, you can see all of your products. So what we can do in this case is we can head over to a specific product that we want. And let's head over to this hat product that we have right here. And then in here, we can see all of the things that we can do in order to edit this out. So if you want to add a category to that, you can see in here the actual category is actually clothing. So when you click on that, you can see in here a lot more category that you can choose from. So for example, for this one, let's choose in here this outerwear. And you can actually head over and then add this particular category to that. And you can also choose a product type and anything that you want. So you can also do this method to different products that you have. But once you're done with that, click on this save option right here. Now this will save your progress. So let's head back and do one more. So let's do this on the pants that we have right here. And on this pants, you can see in here the edit options that we have as well as the hat earlier. So let's scroll down again. It will take some time for this to load. But once it's loading, you can see it all from here. So in here, you can see the product organization again, and under is the category. You can choose clothing or any outfit sets that you can use for this one. So for example, for this, let's choose this uniform, for example. Then click on the save right here, and then this will save the category for your specific product.